I actually started fixing phones about 8 years ago. Yeah. And I started basically at a kiosk in a mall. At the time, I was a host of the restaurant. Before that, I was dishwasher at the restaurant, so I got promoted to host. And once I got promoted to host, I was like, this is the most boring job I've ever had in my whole life. Because all you do is you take rich, entitled people to their seats and never have the unfortunate ability to do. Not that, some people really like being in the service industry like that, but, restaurants is a tough job. Yeah, so basically, one of my parents, there was this one time that they actually worked in a hardware store, and it was also commission-based for some cents. Well, a customer came in that was dressed in, like, ripped jeans and, like, a dirty t-shirt, and the other person, the more senior sales rep, didn't want to help them. Well, my parent took it. Person turned out to be, like, a rock star. They bought 3 different barbecues, one for each of their houses, and 3 different fireplaces as well. Yeah. Oh, well. Uh-huh. Okay. Nice. Uh-huh. Yeah. They probably brought cash or something. I never try to judge people. Even if someone does make less money, it's no reason to treat someone differently.